Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogunshola from iDPS. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. It's a beautiful summer day, and just before I go for a walk, I thought I'd do some video that is going to be very important for all of us. This video will be important for students from around the world, irrespective of what you study. It will be important for entrepreneurs as well, irrespective of the business that you are into. All the same, if you're an industry professional, irrespective of the sector or industry that you work in, this video will be useful for you. Today, I talk about reflections. Besides telling us about reflections, I will talk about a particular model known as the STARR model that we can use when we make reflections. So the first question, what is reflections? Reflection is about looking again. It's about looking back at a situation that already happened. It's about having serious thoughts or serious considerations about situations that already happened. No wonder the American psychologist and philosopher John Dewey says we don't actually learn from experiences. We only learn when we reflect on experiences. The STARR model for reflection that I will talk about today is very common amongst interviewers because they use this model to gather relevant information about the capability that the job requires. So talking about the STARR model, it's an acronym, of course. The S stands for situation. So when you write your reflection, then you have to talk about the situation, explain the situation. What was the situation? Why did that situation happen? When did that situation happen? Where did that situation happen? How did that situation happen? The STARR model, the S stands for situation. You write explaining smartly about the situation that happened. Then of course we have the next letter from the STARR model, which is the T. The T could be the task. That is what is required of you to do. When the T is the task, it's normally externally imposed. Yeah. So what is required for you to do? T, task. The T as well could be the target. If the T is the target, this time around it's some kind of intrinsic motivation, and you already set targets for yourself. What do I want to achieve? Okay, then the next letter from the STARR model is the A. The A is the action. Yeah, what exactly did you do? We know the situation now. We know the task or the target that you wanted to achieve or that was set for you to achieve. Now the action, the A, what exactly did you do? You have to narrate that as you write your reflection. And of course we have the R, which is the result. Yeah? What was the outcome of your actions? That is the R, the outcome of your actions. Interestingly, the STARR model, which is the acronym STAR, was further developed, and there was another R, which means there was an additional R, and this R stands for reflect. Okay, so that when you talk about the situation, when you talk about the task or the target that you wanted to achieve, when you talk about the action, that is what you actually did, when you talk about the results, which is the outcome of your action, then the last R here is now for reflect. Okay, reflect. Okay, what did you learn? What could you have done better next time? That was the STARR model, and we can use the STARR model to reflect from now on. Again, whether you are a student, whether you are an entrepreneur, whether you are a professional in any industry or any sector, when you look back, when you look at a situation that has already happened, when you look critically or you take serious thoughts or considerations about situations that already happened, you can use the STARR model. Remember, it's the S, situation, T for task or target, A for the actions, first R for results, and the last R for reflection. In another video, I will continue to talk about reflections, but this time around I will talk about the SOHARA model. That's the SOARA model. Find out what SOHARA means in that next video. Thank you very much. As you know, I like to get feedback because we love to serve you better. Do you think there's some way that we can improve on the videos from iDPS, or do you think there's something that we can do better? Please send us an email at info@idpsconsults.com or visit our website www.idpsconsults.com and send us a message. As you know, I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is that Africa must develop. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing everything to make sure that Africa is united, and keep doing everything towards African development. Africa must develop. This is the end of this video on reflections using the STAR model. Therefore, in English language, I say, thank you very much. Dutch language from the Netherlands, I say, thank you all. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, I say, Esheo. Bye.